Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum. Now we'll take length, width and height. Length is 55, height is 12 plus 10 plus 17 and width is 27. So you'll draw a layout like this, 30-30 degree. Now after that, if you see, there are three parts, 1, 2 and 3, right? So we'll start with part 1, which is nearer to us. So height is 10 mm and length is 55. So we can draw a rectangle. And whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind, right? See, this is part A, B and C in top view. So part A is full, right? Which is in front. So I'm assuming that part 1 is through and through. So draw light initially when you're not sure. Part 2, how much it is behind? 7. So I'll go inside by 7. And the length is not given. See, this part is here, right? See this part, and I'll draw this. But the only issue is length is not given. It is 40. I'll just write it down. This 40. So we got one more part 2, 40 by 12. Now this is also behind, so we'll just take it behind like this. Now we need to draw part 3. Now part 3 is how much behind? All this line will be dark. See how much you have to go behind. See, this is over here, right? So 10 behind. So again go 10 behind and then go up. And this is 21. So this is how you'll get this part 3. And again we'll take that part 3 also behind. It will go behind by 10. And this is how it will look. So I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.